Today I'm going to show you how to make honey chicken, and I will show you the easy ways step by step so that you easy to follow. So now I have chicken around 500 gram of chicken breast, and I make with chicken thigh too, and I cut in the cube pieces, clean and cut like that, just medium size. So here I have garlic powder and mix with salt, and have white pepper. So just put around 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and salt in here. Just put in my chicken, and I put pinch of pepper, white pepper powder. So just make it together like that, and to make it well, and let aside. So now I'm finished making my chicken, so now I'm going to show you how to make the sauce. So now I'm going to show you how to make the sauce. So I'm use this honey, and I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of honey. Put in my bowl here. Brush it all outside. So I have half cup of tomato ketchup. Pour all inside here. And 1/3 quarter cup of white sugar, and 1/4 quarter cup of water. So all mix together like that. Combine all together. So now my sauce ready, so I keep aside, and let's start making a butter. So now I'm going to make a butter. So now I'm going to show you how to make butter. So I have half cup of plain flour. I put in the bowl here, and half cup of corn flour. Put all together. And I put around half a teaspoon of garlic powder inside here. And I'm going to put around 1 egg in here. And I'm going to put baking powder 2 teaspoons. And I have 1 cup of water, cold water, and I put in here. So now let's mix everything together. So now I'm going to put cooking oil, around 2 tablespoons, into my butter. So make more smooth and runny. So butter have to running like this. So now now it's done. So now going to cook the chicken. So now my butter been made, and my chicken I season early. So I put all my chicken pieces in here, and I'm going to make it well with my butter. To stir it well. Combine it together like this. pan. So first thing I'm going to take my oil, and I have oil in my pan is around 1 liter of oil, and I'm going to check it is hot, and I put in high heat. So now I'm going to put one by one the cube, my chicken cube in here. So now I put one by one already in here. So I have to fry just not light golden, not very golden. So to take it out, put in here, and I'm going to put the rest of my chicken inside here. So just cook first time like brown. So now like that brown. So now I'm going to turn off my heat. Put on here. So I'm going to drain out all my gram here from the cooking oil. So try to take as much as you can. So I'm going to do this double fry to let it crunchy and crispy. So now I'm going to put this in cooking oil again. A quick fry, around couple minutes. More brown and crispy. So now I'm turning off after a couple minutes. So you can see like more brown and more crispy. Now, look at this, smells good and good color. So now I'm going to put aside. So now let it cook sauce. So I have a wok and I put it in high heat. And here is my sauce. I've been made early, so give a good mix so the one's stuck in the bottom. And I put all my sauce in my wok. And let it boil. Let it boil, a good boil coming up, bubble everywhere. So starting boil now, you can see all bubble coming. But when it's starting boil like that, you want a little more, much more, a bit thicker. So now I'm going where my chickens are been fried early. So now we toast with the sauce. So I put my chicken into the sauce, and I'm toast with my sauce. Toast with the sauce. Wow, look at this color. Incredible color. It smells good. You just top it well with the sauce. So now turn off the heat and let it fry. So now my honey chicken is done, and you can see it looks so beautiful. And I've been put some sesame seed on top to make it nice. So I hope you liked my video, and see you later. Bye bye.